with your eyes closed as you're allowing the light to wash over you. Wash every organ, every cell of your body. Feel yourself releasing with ease and awareness, with consciousness, every fear, doubt, insecurity, old habits and patterns, every kind of negative, painful cellular memory, all imprints, implants, associations, attachments, entanglements that has made you question your true potential, that has made you doubt you in the past, that has made you hold back from being spontaneous, from being in the free flow with the flow of the universe, that has made you question your capacity and potential, doubt yourself, hold yourself back. And as the light of the cosmos flows through you, I send a prayer to the Creator of all that is, to the universal life force, the Great Spirit, the Ascended Masters, to your spirit guides, angel guides, the power animal, who all protect and guide you, and Mother Earth, who grounds you, that you're choosing this moment across time and space, across past, present, future, across dimensions and frequencies, across realities and projected realities, to allow yourself to truly connect to your own infinite potential, shine brightly, loving and accepting yourself for just who you are, allowing your own authentic energy to flow from you, respecting yourself, believing in yourself, truly valuing your own potential, truly valuing who you truly are, and allowing yourself to glow with confidence in every aspect of your life. And now take 7 very deep breaths, breathing in through your nose, breathing out through your mouth, allowing your own infinite potential to be recharged, glowing with the light of the cosmos that flows through you. Deeply breathing in